Question. DS. In the above figure, the parallelogram has two angles, A degrees and B degrees. What is the measure of angle A? Condition 1. Angle A minus angle B equals 90. Condition 2. The measure of angle A is 3 times the measure of angle B. Solution. Let's solve this DS question using the variable approach. If a parallelogram has 4 interior angles, A, B, B, and we have 2 times A degrees plus 2 times B degrees equals 360 degrees, or A degrees plus B degrees equals 180 degrees, then two variables, A and B, and one equation, A plus B equals 180. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need one more equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, D would most likely be the answer. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the measure of angle A of the parallelogram. Follow the second and the third steps from the original condition. We have a parallelogram, so 2 times A plus 2 times B equals 360, or A plus B equals 180, shown as above, and we have two variables, A and B, and one equation, A plus B equals 180. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need one more equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, it's about 60% likely D is the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition separately. Condition 1 tells us that A minus B equals 90. If we add A minus B equals 90 to A plus B equals 180, then we get 2 times A plus B minus B equals 180 plus 90. 2 times A equals 270. That is, A equals 135. This solution is unique, so it is sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 tells us that A equals 3 times B. If we plug A equals 3 times B into A plus B equals 180, we get 3 times B plus B equals 180. 4 times B equals 180. That is, B equals 45. So, we get A equals 3 times B, which is equal to 3 times 45, equals 135. This solution is unique, so it is sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Also, according to tip 1, it is about 95% likely that D would be the answer when the value of condition 1 is equal to the value of condition 2. You can get more correct answers and save a lot of time by using the variable approach. Each condition alone is sufficient. Thus, D is the correct answer. Answer D.